Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find the fuse for the active grille shutters, you need to see where that fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So if we come right here now, guys, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You have 2 fuse boxes. We'll need to work in the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open your hood and you come, guys, next to your car battery, right here, that's the car battery. Right in behind it, you have a fuse box cover. You open that fuse box cover and you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like that. This one will be towards the front of the truck. This will be the car battery here, and this towards the back side where the windshield is. That's what it will look like once you open it. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the active grille shutters, guys, fuse. First, check this thing out. You have different kinds of relays, fuses. All of these could be really hard to find, expensive, especially in small towns, guys, or even in part stores they can be really overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price, quick shipping, for a peace of mind. Put some spares in your glove box so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. That's the fuse panel that we will need. We'll need to come in that row right here, and we need to find fuse number 97 from the very bottom to the top. That's that third fuse, 10 amp fuse right here that you will need to check for the grille shutters, guys, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.